Hi there, it's Dave here from davestravelpages.com, and in this video we're going to look at travel towels for bike touring. If you've ever read the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy books, you'll know the significance of towels, and in fact it's often described as the most massively useful thing an interstellar hitchhiker can have. Now I'm not going to say it's that important for bike touring, but on the other hand it is one of those little things that does make life comfortable. And sometimes when you're bike touring, it's those little things that just make life a little bit easier when it comes to bike touring. So why wouldn't you put some thought into choosing a towel? Now the reason I'm making this video is because I've recently upgraded my towel. So I'm going to show you my old one and then my new one, and then you can see what you think. So originally I had something called the Life Venture Trek towel. And this is described as a microfiber one, and it's supposed to be quick drying. Now as you can see, it's actually reasonably bulky. It is less bulky than a proper towel. It does dry a little bit faster, but it was never really that great. So what would happen is that once you'd had a shower with it, it would take a while to dry. So if you have a shower in the morning on a campsite and then you go cycling afterwards, it wouldn't necessarily be dry in time. So it'd always be slightly damp. Now if you're traveling through a warm country, it's fine, you can hang it up and dry it later on in the day. But if you're in a climate where it's always going to be a little bit damp, and I'm thinking of Canada specifically because I had some great weather in Canada once, it's never going to get dry. So while it packed lighter, it was never really adequate. And I'd always kind of put off getting a towel. It was just one of those things that I'd learned to live with. But then when I was in Portugal, just on a regular holiday, I popped into an outdoor store because I just tend to pop into outdoor stores to see what gear there is. And I found this, mountain hardware towel. Now, not only is it good, but it also cost about €3, which is ridiculous. So I just bought it anyway and thought I'd see what it was like. Now, as you can see, it packs a lot smaller, obviously. The material is completely different. It's like a genuine microfiber. It's so thin, but it does dry you. And it's actually quite amazing. And not only does it dry you, it's also, it dries itself very, very quickly. So all you need to do once you've had a shower is just hang this up in a breeze and it will be dry within a few minutes. It's really, really good. The only thing that it's not great for, perhaps, is if you want to wrap it around your body or whatever, like you could with the other towel. But when it comes to a travel towel, this is perfect. So that is really all the video was about. It was just to show you the two different towels. I guess that there's other people other than Mountain Warehouse, whoever they are, that do these sorts of towels. So if you do see one of these on offer, why not buy one and check it out, especially if you can find it as cheap as I found it. So pretty much there we go. And that's what it packs down to. Have you got any comments about travel towels for bike touring? If you have, please leave them in the comment section below. Maybe share what it is that you use, and we'll share the love in the bike touring community. If you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers for now.